Welcome to HabTech Studio. This is Python class for beginners. In this lesson, we will see how to set up the environment. To setting up the environment, we have to download two things. 1. Python. To download Python, go to python.org and download the latest version of Python. Two. PyCharm. To download PyCharm, go to jetbrains.com and download PyCharm Community Edition, because it is open source. Just type jetbrains.com followed by PyCharm download. When you press the enter button on the keyboard, you can see two options to download: PyCharm Professional Edition and PyCharm Community Edition. Download the Community Edition because it is free. Next, go to the download folder and install Python. This dialog is happened because I have already installed Python on my PC. Next, go your download folder and then install PyCharm. This dialog means I have already installed PyCharm. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video so that you can see new video when we post it.